Hi everybody. I am testing various sound levels on my computer within Windows. The last two videos I did on the JMRI software, my voice was way too low, so I'm playing about with various sound levels. And while I'm doing it, I just thought I'd show you a quick tutorial on how to find your COM port. Some people find it difficult to find the COM port. If you're connecting an E-Link, for example, or a lock programmer, or a Sprague, or a Hornby Elite, for example. If you're updating the firmware on your Hornby Elite, you will need to connect it to your computer via the COM port. Now, there are various ways to find out which COM port your particular device is connected to. You can go through control panel, or one of the easiest ways is if you come down to the bottom left of your screen. This is Windows 10, by the way. It'll be different if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 8. You see the Windows logo. Hopefully you can see my mouse pointer. While the mouse pointer is over the Windows logo, if you click the right hand button on your mouse, you get a menu system, and in that menu system is Device Manager. I've already got Device Manager running because if you click on Device Manager, you get the obligatory box come up asking you for permission to run it. That is to stop malicious software executing on your computer. Now, if I click that and say yes, it shuts down the screen capture software, hence why I've had to run it, which is down here. So if I click on Device Manager, here you'll find a list of components, hardware that's connected to your computer. In that list you'll see ports. You'll see COM and LPT, and LPT was the old parallel port people connected printers to. Nowadays you connect via USB in most cases. In my case, I connect via a network via the switch on my router. But if you click on this arrow to the left of COM port here, you get a list of ports. Now, I've only got one device connected to my computer at the moment, to a USB port, which is my lock programmer. You may have several here. For example, if you've got a mouse connected to your USB port, or a keyboard, or whatever, you could have an E-Link connected to there, or your Elite, and you'd have several, and you think, well, which one is the port my device is connected to? If while your device is connected in, if you unplug it, it'll disappear. Now, mine's disappeared completely because I haven't got anything else connected to a USB port. Yours may still be there with your list of items. Now, the item that disappeared, if you have a list of 3, for example, and one disappears when you unplug the device, you know that device is your Elite, for example. If you plug it back in, Windows recognises it and puts it back in there, as it did with my lock programmer. Now, that tells me my lock programmer is on COM4. So when I go to run the firmware updates, for example, on a lock programmer or my Elite, I know the Elite is connected to COM4. And that's a quick way of finding out which port your particular device is connected to. If anybody else wants any tutorials on a particular application within Windows, or how you do something within Windows, or even with your hardware. If you have any problems with your hardware, or you need any advice, please feel free to contact me. It doesn't have to be connected with Model Railway. Anything will do. With regards to my A4, by the way, installing the lights, I haven't forgotten about that. I've just been preoccupied with my wife, and I purchased another loco, which is the Devonshire Bell West Country. It's a very nice loco, but had a problem with the sound, which I'm fixing first. Once I've done that, I'll get back to the A4, which hopefully may be tomorrow. Thanks very much for your time, and have a nice day.